Oberoi.
And I'm Alia Modi.
Alia, the home prices have gone up so much in the Silicon Valley, it's almost impossible to find a single family home, good schools, good lot, around $1 million.
Absolutely, Eddie. This one is a true gem. It is a fantastic opportunity in a great neighborhood, fully updated. You really need to come take a tour.
Absolutely. Let's take a tour.
Welcome to 2947 Tolliver Drive. This beautifully updated 3-bedroom single-story home is in a highly desirable tree-lined neighborhood near the picturesque Evergreen foothills. It's situated on a huge corner lot with an open view and an expansive low-maintenance backyard with countless fruit trees: persimmon, apple, pear, orange, and kumquat. The modern kitchen includes all new stainless steel appliances, brand new two-tone shaker style cabinetry, and an attractive butcher block countertop. The home's freshly painted, updated with new LVP flooring and glimmering designer light fixtures throughout. Set in a quiet neighborhood walking distance to parks, top-rated Evergreen schools, Millbrook Elementary, Quimby Oak Middle, and Evergreen Valley High School. Easy access to Evergreen Village Square, public library, fine dining, the farmers market, parks, and premium shopping. This is an ideal commuting location near the future Google Mega Campus, Berryessa BART, light rail stations, and Highway 101 and 680. You don't want to miss this one.
Thank you so much for taking a tour of our beautiful home.
As you saw, it's a gorgeous opportunity right here in Evergreen. And if you have any questions, that's what we're here for. Reach out to us anytime. We'll talk to you soon.